Well, Hyderabad-based e-vehicle company ETO Motors has come up with a unique idea to empower women. ETO Motors have launched "मैं ETO भी चलाऊंगी और घर भी" initiative to help the women earn. ETO Motors President Rajiv ISR has said that their focus is to empower women by providing facilities of electric vehicles, by giving them employment opportunities as women pilots and women entrepreneurs, so that they can uplift the women below and near the poverty line.
We are very happy that the government of Telangana has recently released the GO to register around 500 vehicles of passenger in Hyderabad, and we are very proud to say that we were able to achieve an order for 250 vehicles to be deployed, and we are now focusing more on the women pilots and women entrepreneurs so that we can uplift the people living near the I would say the poverty line, so that they not only get a good livelihood but they can also run their homes in a very sustainable manner. To this cause, we have launched a scheme which is called as "मैं ईटो भी चलाऊंगी और घर भी," which means I will be able to run an electric auto as well as my home.
With an attempt to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and empower women, the Hyderabad-based e-vehicle company has launched a scheme "मैं ईटो भी चलाऊंगी और घर भी," which means I can run an electric auto as well as my home. This luxury on three-wheel vehicle, which goes by the name of Trilux, has 10 units to run up to 100 km of range.
These vehicles that we are talking about come with close to a 10 kilowatt hour battery capacity, with which one can drive up to 100 kilometers of range. That means it uses 10 units to run 100 kilometers of range, which means if you are charging it at home with a domestic charging, then hardly it costs you 30 paisa per kilometer. The maintenance cost is low, the complexity is low. It is as easy as a toy car. All you need to do is switch on the motor and give the throttle, and then the vehicle runs. So, and there is no pollution, there are zero tailpipe emissions, there is no noise, and it gives a lot of comfort not only to the driver but also to the passengers sitting there. The first time in a three-wheeler we have given belt seats, seat belts, not only for I would say the driver but for the passengers also.
According to the firm, the scheme will help women to own their vehicles by take it on rent and own it later ideology.
Majority of the I would say the driver community that are living there do not have access to the right credit cards and the credit systems, and hence for them to be able to purchase a vehicle, approaching a financial institute and then taking a loan and owning that vehicle is a nightmare. Most of the times these people end up taking money from the private lending agencies and who are burdened with a lot of interests. So we have thoroughly looked into this problem and we have arrived at a solution through a scheme called "Take it on rent, own it later."
The firm provides these women ईटो vehicles to earn minimum monthly charges so that eventually they can buy their dream vehicle. The Telangana government had released a policy that will be effective until 2030, which is to promote electric vehicles, which will offer 100% exemption of road tax and registration fee purchased and registered within the state. According to Rajiv Kumar, the Vice President of ETO, the firm has achieved orders of 250 vehicles which are going to be deployed majorly for women pilots and women entrepreneurs.